be presenting her microphone that she got for her birthday.
Today I'll be showing you guys the present I got for my birthday from my grandma. So let's get started. It's very hard to open that. So, it comes with an awesome bag also for storage, and I'll be opening it and showing you guys all the stuff it has. Sometimes when I like opening it and all that, it gets stuck sometimes. This is it, guys, and I love it a lot. And these are like the stuff you need to like put, and this is the volume, and that's the echo, and that's the music. So first off, you need to click this and wait until the sound comes. That. And if you want it like that, like you can like put the echo, or if you don't want the echo. But right now, I'm just going to show you how the echo sounds like. Like, let's say, I'll be singing the song Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, dun, dun, dun. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, Portero año, Feliz Navidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. And now I'll be doing it without the echo. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Portero año, felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. And I will be showing you all the stuff that comes with it. This is the stuff you put on top of the microphone so it doesn't get dusty. I'll put that right here. And this is the charger, guys. And this is the thing, the instructions, but it's in Chinese. But this is for my mom too. It's a coupon for another one, just in case you want to buy another one. And guys, this is the button to turn on, and this is to change the song. That button and that one, and it's Bluetooth. And you can plug headphones to it.
Here's like under that's headphones, I think, and that's the charger. You see that right there? It's the support SD card in the middle.
And there's also like a lot of colors. Like when you talk,
Lights.
it goes like there's a lot of lights. Like especially when you talk, it goes like up and down, up down. Like when you sing, like on echo, and you like do this, and it makes that sound. And I'm sorry, guys, if that hurted your ears, it hurted my ears.
It's peanut butter jelly time!